View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy!
Boo!
Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
Today is a very important celebration in the Wheelzy family. It's Broomy and Vroomy's birthday.
Our dear Broomy.
Dear Vroomy,
You are all grown up now, and so...
we're giving you serious gifts. Huh?
Grown up? Ah.
You can't treat them like toys. Huh?
It's a phone! It's blue.
Let me show you how to charge your phone. This is a charging station.
Oh, it's like it's in a little bed.
Exactly. Make sure you put it to bed every night.
Vroomy wants her phone to look like a little baby. She's sticking eyes on it.
What? There. My little eye baby. My cute little phone. Go to sleep. Oh. Oh. Hello?
Remember, most importantly, the phone is for communication.
Yes, so you and Vroomy can always find us.
Got it. Papa, show me how to play on it.
Sure. Huh?
Oh, what's this worm?
Just a worm. He's hungry. And you only feed him edible things. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Don't bite into your own tail.
Edible. No. Eat the apple. And the pear. No, don't eat that. Silly, who eats boots?
They're hungry little worms. Huh? We're very glad you liked the gifts. Keep playing. It's time for us to go to work. Don't forget, kids, Grandpa Ladle is waiting for you in the garden today.
Hooray, Grandpa! Yeah.
Let's go, Broomy.
The day can be sunny, rainy, or windy, but I love it all the same. 'Cause I know for sure that soon I'm... What a beautiful little flower! Stop, worm! Why eat the train?
Broomy, poor thing.
Mama!
Mama and Papa went to work. But don't worry. I know. When you're in pain, you need something soothing. Something sweet. It'll be fine, Broomy. Oh, just a minute.
Vroomy has come to the kitchen for some candy.
Here. Open your mouth quickly.
It's hardly hurting now. Hurting?
Huh? Don't worry, Plumie. Broomy hurt himself, but I'm making it all better.
With candy.
I know. Let's help him together.
Vroomy is looking for the sweetest candy in the cupboard.
Cucumbers. Huh?
No.
Honey.
Honey.
Yes. From this we can make a
Oh dear, Vroomy. Playing with food is not a very good idea.
Can we add some candy?
Yes!
This is banana bread that Mama Wheelzy baked this morning. Bloom Boom is spreading chocolate on it.
I got an idea.
Vroomy is adding candy gums onto the chocolate.
Patient, open your mouth.
Patient!
Whoops, I hit my head.
Doctors, do you have lemonade in your first aid kit? Bring me lemonade right now. My head hurts. And ice, please.
Feel better.
Plumey, bring me your sand shovel. And while I check the medicine, it still hurts. It hurts. Oh, and now it hurts less. And it doesn't hurt now. Thank you.
Great. Why do you need the shovel?
Ha! It's my turn to be the doctor. Patient, come over here, now. At least you won't get a bump on your head.
Got it.
And now we can eat all this medicine too. And then be sure to clean our teeth. In the future, I hope no one will hit their head again.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
Today, there's a disco in the Wheelzy Kids room.
This is DJ Brew. You ready to hear an amazing track?
Oh, yeah!
Let's go! Hey!
Now I'm a DJ!
No! You be chicken!
What? No, you be a chicken!
Vroomy is very mad at her brother.
Chicken on the loose! You better save yourselves!
Broomy decided he definitely needs to hide from his sister. Broomy wants to find an even better hiding place. No, he wants to get revenge on his sister. Hey?
Grandpa Ladle, do you have anything
thing that can fly?
Let me have a think. Look, let's make you a clever little flying contraption.
Oh, wow! What?
It's a boomerang. Boomerang. Here.
Does it fly well?
Yeah. But keep in mind, if you throw the boomerang in anger, it will punish you.
Of course.
Oh, yes! Punish!
What? Whoa.
Looks like Vroomy thought up a new game. She's training a wild peacock.
Come here. I've got berries for you. Well, you can sing better.
Nah. Now I'll really show you who's the actual DJ. Yeah?
Oh, what a nasty little car! Nasty little car! Nasty little car! Now I'll show you what Boomerang can do!
The boomerang turned around and flew back to Broomy.
Vroomy, what's wrong?
Now Broomy feels very ashamed for ever wanting to hurt his caring sister.
I would just bump my head.
Plume Boom has gone to fetch the first aid kit.
Huh? Hey.
What?
Oh, what's this cute little thing we have here on the ground?
This? It hit my head. Yeah.
Broomy threw the boomerang, and the boomerang flew right back.
You shouldn't throw the boomerang when you're angry. Especially not at your friends. It's like actions. If you do something bad, it comes back to you even worse. But if you do good for someone, expect good in return.
A balloon.
I get it. I won't throw anything anymore. Not ever.
Huh? Well done, Plumey. Let's open your peacock treasure chest.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama.
Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama.
Broomy! Vroomy!
They like to play.
Plume Boom the baby drops something every day.
Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help.
He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family. It's a very rainy day today. Puddles start to appear on the ground.
Puddles. Huh. What can we do while it's raining so much?
What's so funny? You can't play.
Crybaby, crybaby, you're the crybaby.
No, you are the crybaby.
While Broomy and Vroomy are busy arguing, the rain has stopped.
Look, we can go outside.
Veo, veo, beep, beep.
Puddles!
1, 2, 3, go! Puddles. Big, deep puddles. Huh? Hey. 1, 2, 3, go! Puddles.
I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.
Whoa. Hey, look. What? Veo, 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 veo. I'm a cop. I will catch the bad guy. Whoa. Stop! Police! Veo, 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 veo. Veo, 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 veo. Veo, 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 veo.
Vroomy is all dirty. Now Vroomy is chased by a bearded cop. Oh no! Vroomy is in trouble. She is stuck in a big, deep puddle.
Quick, let's help.
Oh no! Now Vroomy is stuck.
Why are you always playing cop? Now you need to become a tow truck.
A tow truck. Yeah.
Plumey drives to the garage. He's going to find everything he needs to turn himself into a tow truck. Wise Grandpa Ladle knows it's not a good idea to leave Plumey alone with his tools. He needs to keep an eye on him.
A shovel.
The little dump truck imagined Broomy pulling himself out of the puddle with a shovel. Plumey, it's a blower. That's not what you need to help.
What kind of snowman is this?
Ploomy! And now Ploomy wants to be a tow truck.
Hey, a great idea. Yum, yum, yum. Let's go to my auto repair shop. Here's a hook for you. Now you can be a tow truck.
At last, now Tow Truck Ploomy and Grandpa Ladle can rescue Vroomy and Vroomy.
Vroomy!
Attention! You need to grab the hook. Tow truck, time to pull.
Pull harder!
Well done, Ploomy.
My little brother is the best tow truck.
Ploomy feels so very proud of himself.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama.
Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama.
Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
Oh, hello? Oh, yes, sure.
Wheelzy Mama's been called into work. She's an ambulance, and ambulances always have to be ready for emergencies. That's her beacon. That's lipstick. Wheelzy Mama's painting a big red cross on herself so that everyone can see it.
Mommy, what are you doing? Good morning, Vroomy.
Oh, good morning. What's going on?
I'm heading to work. It's an emergency. We need to get someone to the hospital who didn't like buckling their seatbelt.
Oh. They didn't like buckling their seatbelt? Huh, that's silly. Yeah? Ploomy, wearing a seatbelt's fun, right? So much fun. Let's all play seatbelts. 1 minute. Yeah?
Vroomy's looking for a seatbelt for her little brother. Any belt will do for this game.
Please buckle up. The bus is leaving soon. Click, click. A safety check. You are all buckled up. Now it's safe to go. Time for the bus to go. Yeah. Click, click. Click, click. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The bus is driving boom, boom around. Beep, beep, boom, boom, boom.
Oh no! Something's gone wrong. Oil's pouring out of Bloom Boom right onto the floor.
Oops. An accident. Oh, don't cry. Everything will be okay.
need to call an ambulance. Nah? Hello? Doctor, the patient has a puddle under the body.
It's an emergency!
And please come quickly. Done. Huh. The doctor's on the way.
Wee wee beep beep, wee wee beep beep, wee wee beep beep. What? Huh? Yuck! Oh, right. Let's paint on a cross. A doctor's on the way. Don't cry, baby. It will all be okay. There's an ambulance to take you to the hospital.
To the repair shop.
Yeah.
What? Ready?
Yes. Let's go.
Wheel, beep, beep.
The Wheelzy kids have brought their little brother to the garage for a checkup.
I'm raising the lift. Did you like it?
And here's the doctor with her special medical bag.
What? Let me have a listen to you.
Vroomy's put on her stethoscope.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Vroomy, look! You need an injection!
These are my toys, and I'm the doctor, and you need an injection.
You get an injection! And you... and you... Stop! Down! Can't catch me! Can't catch me! What gives?
Huh? What's going on here?
She's throwing things at the hospital.
Uh-huh. I get it. You're doctors.
Yes.
And you're the patient.
Patient.
Doctors need a clean area to work in. Let's make a proper clinic. Let me get started. On the checkup.
It was you who threw it.
Because of you.
Hey, hurry up, please. I need your help. Looks like you overheated. Nurse Broomy, the thermometer, please. And you, Nurse Broomy, get something to cool his engine down.
I'll get it done.
Thank you. Yes, you definitely overheated. We'll get you nice and cool now.
Oh, here's some coolant.
Huh? Get down. Open your mouth. Great job, doctors! Who needs treating now?